Hazrat Abdullah bin Masud radiyallahu anhu states that Hazrat Habiba radiyallahu anha invoked, O Allah Jalla Jalaluhu, let me derive benefit from my husband, Allah's Apostle sallallahu alaihi wasallam, my father Hazrat Abu Sufyan, and my brother Hazrat Muawiyah radiyallahu anhuma. Allah's Apostle sallallahu alaihi wasallam said to her, You have besought Allah Jalla Jalaluhu for those lifespans which are calculated, the steps already fixed, and the provision already allotted. None of these will be advanced from its due time, nor will be delayed beyond its due time. It would have been better for you if you have sought refuge with Allah Jalla Jalaluhu against the torment of hell and the torment in grave. A man submitted, O Allah's Apostle sallallahu alaihi wasallam, do the existing monkeys and swines belong to those who underwent metamorphosis? The Prophet sallallahu alaihi wasallam whereupon said, Allah Jalla Jalaluhu did not make any people reproduce themselves that had been tormented. Undoubtedly, monkeys and swines would exist even before that. Sahih Muslim Hadees number 6714.